Learn daily sentences in present indefinite tense with me. Positive sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. Repeat after me to improve your English. I run. I run. I do not run. I do not run. Do I run? Do I run? She cooks. She cooks. She does not cook. She does not cook. Does she cook? Does she cook? We read. We read. We do not read. We do not read. Do we read? Do we read? He sings. He sings. He does not sing. He does not sing. Does he sing? Does he sing? They play. They play. They do not play. They do not play. Does they play? Does they play? The dog barks. The dog barks. The dog does not bark. The dog does not bark. Does the dog bark? Does the dog bark? The bird flies. The bird flies. The bird does not fly. The bird does not fly. Does the bird fly? Does the bird fly? I play cricket. I play cricket. I do not play cricket. I do not play cricket. Do I play cricket? Do I play cricket? She writes a letter. She writes a letter. She does not write a letter. She does not write a letter. Does she write a letter? Does she write a letter? I wake up early. I wake up early. I do not wake up early. I do not wake up early. Do I wake up early? Do I wake up early? He helps his friends. He helps his friends. He does not help his friends. He does not help his friends. Does he help his friends? Does he help his friends? He teaches English. He teaches English. He does not teach English. He does not teach English. Does he teach English? Does he teach English? The train arrives at 7 a.m. The train arrives at 7 a.m. The train does not arrive at 7 a.m. The train does not arrive at 7 a.m. Does the train arrive at 7 a.m.? Does the train arrive at 7 a.m.? They play in the garden. They play in the garden. They do not play in the garden. They do not play in the garden. Do they play in the garden? Do they play in the garden? He speaks politely. He speaks politely. He does not speak politely. He does not speak politely. Does he speak politely? Does he speak politely? She enjoys reading books. She enjoys reading books. She does not enjoy reading books. She does not enjoy reading books. Does she enjoy reading books? Does she enjoy reading books? The shop opens at 9 a.m. The shop opens at 9 a.m. The shop does not open at 9 a.m. The shop does not open at 9 a.m. Does the shop open at 9 a.m.? Does the shop open at 9 a.m.? The dog runs fast. The dog runs fast. The dog does not run fast. The dog does not run fast. Does the dog run fast? Does the dog run fast? I eat. I eat. I do not eat. I do not eat. Do I eat? Do I eat? She runs. She runs. She does not run. She does not run. Does she run? Does she run? We work. We work. We do not work. We do not work. Do we work? Do we work? He jumps. He jumps. He does not jump. He does not jump. Does he jump? Does he jump? She reads. She reads. She does not read. She does not read. Does she read? Does she read? The cat runs. The cat runs. The cat does not run. The cat does not run. Does the cat run? Does the cat run? We talk. We talk. We do not talk. We do not talk. Do we talk? Do we talk? He eats. He eats. He does not eat. He does not eat. Does he eat? Does he eat? She smiles. She smiles. She does not smile. She does not smile. Does she smile? Does she smile? We study. We study. We do not study. We do not study. Do we study? Do we study? I sleep. I sleep. I do not sleep. I do not sleep. Do I sleep? Do I sleep?